In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to join the Brevo affiliate program. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is go on to Google or any other website that you can search from. And then from here, you need to go over to the search bar and click on Brevo affiliate program. Then from here, the first option should be Brevo, become a Brevo affiliate partner. And then you need to click on this. Then right here, you'll get into this page where you can join the affiliate program. You can scroll down here and read about what the benefits are from said affiliate program. But if you want to join, you need to fill out this form over here. But first, you need to write in your first name, your last name, your company name, your company website, which needs to be the URL for said website. Then from here, you need to add in a work email. And this needs to be a domain that you own and cannot be Gmail or Hotspot or whatever. Then from here, you need to add in a country. I'm from Denmark personally, so I'm just going to choose Denmark. Then from here, I need to click next. Then from here, is this website your primary source of traffic? And then you need to click yes right here. Click next. And here you can see what is your audience. And you can click YouTube right here or any of these other ones that are specific for you and click next. Then from here, you need to add in your audience size and what kind of resources or content will be helpful for you to promote Brevo. Then from here, you'll need to click next. And then here, you need to accept that you understand the terms and conditions. And then from here, you'll see a thank you note and they will email you once your application has been reviewed. And they will say whether or not you have been accepted into the affiliate program. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!